Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Figstack. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in figstack.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Figstack website. Now right from the home page, you will find the sign-in portal where you can continue with your Google or your GitHub account if you created your account using these in the first place. Or you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner to proceed into the login portal. Either way, you can simply type in the email address that you used, followed by your account password. After entering both of these, click on the Start for Free button. And now, after entering both of these, click on the Login or the Continue button, and you will immediately be signed into your account on Figstack, and you can start using it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your existing account on the Figstack website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.